Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. And yes, I am here with a lot of stock market news and weekly update of the index levels and a lot of more to discuss. I apologize because I could not make the video on crash day. I mean on the result day 4th 5 June, but I could not help it out because I was very busy with the schedule. But of course, today I am going to discuss in detail, and I will tell lot of things which are going to affect the market in next week. So you have to see the video without skipping it, without jumping in. And I've and one more important thing, I have got some more indexes which are on the breakout level. I cannot discuss that level on the short video, but definitely I will discuss in the detail in this video. And accept the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. So to know those index levels also, and index में कहाँ कहाँ किस किस index में breakout हुआ है, and more to discuss. And yes, this video is really going to be actually long, so sorry for that, but you can't bear to skip this video, because I'm going to discuss very important things in detail. And yes, let's start the video. Know the index levels and Nifty 50 Nifty Bank levels for coming week. Stay connected till then and smash the like button, and yes, subscribe the channel also for regular update of the stock market news and Nifty index levels, and of course the fundamentally strong stocks buying level for investment point of view. Let's start a video with the important news, and then I will come to the chart. So what happened last week? Last week पूरा वीक देखे तो सैटरडे को एग्जिट पोल आए, एंड देन ऑन सैटरडे मीन्स फर्स्ट और सेकंड, एंड देन on Monday 3rd of June, stock market reacted on that exit poll, and it was fully means in strong strength, and it was, I will say, very excited. I will tell you in chart. So Monday को 3rd of June को stock market was very means positive, and what showing a full excitement because of the exit poll. And yes, why? Because exit poll में एक majority government आती हुई दिख रही थी, which actually market also wants. I always say market wants the strong and majority government. So it was the scenario on the Monday, but on the Tuesday, when the exact result was coming, even market खुलते हुए it has started showing nervousness and negativity, and that day it was down. Exactly, it was crashed by 10%. तो क्या हुआ यही, एज यू ऑल आई नो यू ऑल नोइंग दैट कि मार्केट ने एग्जिट पोल के बिल्कुल ही अपोजिट रिजल्ट दिखाया. सॉरी, इलेक्शन रिजल्ट ने बिल्कुल ही अपोजिट रिजल्ट दिखाया. शोन वेरी अपोजिट रिजल्ट which was showing in the exit poll. So that on that stock market reacted on that, and Nifty fell by almost not only 50, the Nifty Bank also, and even more of the indexes fell by even 10%. Nifty 50 Nifty Bank to 10%, exactly 10% से गिर गए. Then all that happened, all that political drama happened, all that political things was happening, which was actually affecting the Nifty stock market. And then on Wednesday, when the news came that NDA government is going to make the government, NDA is going to make the government एंड विद देयर कोalition देन स्टॉक मार्केट में एक मैं कहूँगी एक्सपेक्टेशन, एक पॉजिटिविटी आनी शुरू हुई. So let's first go to the chart and you will understand nicely and detail. You see the see I have come on the Nifty 50 chart and see on this day. This was the Monday. Yes, this was the Monday and market opened by the gap up opening and it has opened on 23,338 में 348 एग्जैक्टली मैं बोलूँ तो 338 है, तो 22,340 के अराउंड थी मार्केट गैप अप ओपन हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ द एग्जिट पोल एंड देन इट केम हियर, इट केम डाउन एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली इतना बड़ा गैप हो गया, इतना बड़ा गैप अप ओपनिंग हो गया. एंड दिस वाज द आई गेस ये 31 मई का है, 31 मई का है, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड को और था 3 जून को ये ऐसा मार्केट पॉजिटिव था. दिस वाज पॉजिटिव एंड फ्रॉम 23,338 23,338 से मार्केट क्लोज्ड हुआ. मार्केट क्लोज्ड हियर ऑन दिस लेवल विच इज एक्चुअली 23,260 अराउंड. सो उसके बाद जो एग्जैक्ट रिजल्ट डे, एग्जैक्ट इलेक्शन रिजल्ट डे पे जो मार्केट ने यहाँ उसी लेवल पे खोला जहाँ पे बंद हुआ था एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर इट वाज वेरी वेरी नर्वस एंड जैसे जैसे न्यूज वाज जैसे जैसे रिजल्ट वाज कमिंग एज रिजल्ट वाज कमिंग एंड दिस market was going down, market was falling. So as the result was coming, the market was falling. So from here to market started getting nervous, reached even till here which is actually 21,300 के आसपास मार्केट पहुंच चुका था. और मैं जैसा देख रही हूँ दिस वाज अ 200 EMA also. इतना मार्केट गिरने के बाद यहाँ से फिर इसमें एक सपोर्ट लिया, इट हैज टेकन अ सपोर्ट एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट अगेन क्लोज्ड दिस लेवल व्हिच वाज 21,864 अराउंड. मतलब ये क्लोज हुआ है 21,884 900 के अराउंड. 21,900 पे क्लोजिंग तो दे दिया बट it touched the level which was never expecting by anyone and that level was the 21,300 जो कि हम कभी भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे कि मार्केट अब इस लेवल तक जाएगा. बट on that day it has reached to this level. But the very next day when the news came कि no, NDA is going to make the comment, everything is fine, as the news was coming that NDA is forming government and Modi is coming back, the market was showing its happiness. See here from here it has opened and touched the low of this 21,900 around. तो जो कि उस नेक्स्ट लास्ट डे का वेरी लास्ट डे का लो था. फ्रॉम देयर इट हैज टच एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट हैज स्टार्टेड शोइंग पॉजिटिविटी एंड only 2 days, it has taken only 2-3 days to recover and the market is fully recovered from here to from here till all time high. It has touched the all time high again only 3 days. So what we say, इतनी अच्छी रिकवरी हुई आफ्टर जो भी सारी क्लैरिटी आने के बाद कि मार्केट ने फिर से अपना रुख बदल लिया और अगेन it has touched the same all time high. This was the whole scenario for the last week I am discussing. So अब ये सब कुछ देखने के बाद after seeing all these things, what can happen, what may happen in next week, that we will actually predict. As you all know, the NDA government coming, the Modi is taking oath on same day today 9th and all is well. So अब मार्केट क्या कर सकता है? तो now what may happen in next week, that we will discuss अब मार्केट जो है जैसा कि मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि दिस वाज द ऑल टाइम हाई एंड this will be the resistance also for the nifty 50. So if it's breaking this 23,350 around, if I say take the round figure, otherwise 340 है, but 22,350 around I will take the resistance. If it's breaking this resistance with the, आई कैन से कि और भी कुछ अच्छी न्यूज आ जाती है शोइंग पॉजिटिवली, तो मे इट मे ब्रेक दिस लेवल ऑल्सो, बट इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग दिस लेवल इट मे रीच टू 23,750 अराउंड जा सकता है, बट अभी राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट जंपिंग ऑन दिस लेवल, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टोल्ड कि हाँ यू हैव टू see the video without skipping so that you can understand everything in detail कि क्या क्या level हो सकते हैं. So this resistance, after breaking this resistance, it will reach to 23,750. But abhi I am not reaching this level, beyond this level, because I will be here only for the resistance, which is 23,350 around. But you should know कि after breaking this क्या level आ सकता है, that will be 23,750. And support पे ये जो एक बड़ा सा जो इसने पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट शो किया है ऑन फ्राइडे, this has become a very strong support, and even earlier it was a very good support. Even see here it has taken resistance, now it has become the support also. So this support is very strong, which is actually 20, exact bolu to 22,775, but yes, I'll take the round figures, that is 22,800. तो दिस 22,800 इज फर्स्ट सपोर्ट जो कि अभी मार्केट तुरंत के उसमें लेगा, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वीक, सो इट मे break this level in this week, within this week also, so I will give next level also to you all, but yes, the first support level can be 22,800 only. As I'm talking about short term, so that's why I'm taking very short levels. So after breaking this, if it will go down, it goes down, then it may take support here, which is actually 50 EMA of the Nifty 50. So 50 EMA का जो level है, that will be 22,500, but that will come only after breaking this 22,800. So these two support you should keep in your mind for the next week. If 22,800 ब्रेक होता है तो ये लेवल आ सकता है, और अगर ऊपर के लेवल पे रेजिस्टेंस पे अगर ब्रेक होता है तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला कि ये 23,750 आ सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं नेक्स्ट वीक में. सो एंड गवर्नमेंट भी बन जाएगी, सारे जो मिनिस्ट्री है वो भी मालूम हो जाएंगे, हु इज़ द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, हु इज़ द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दैट मार्केट डेफिनेटली विल रिएक्ट. मार्केट में बहुत अच्छी खासी यू कैन सी द गुड वॉलेटिलिटी इन मार्केट. सो इंडिया बिक्स भी अपने काफ़ी मूवमेंट दिखा रहा है, तो इस वॉलेटिलिटी की वजह से वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट कि हाँ मार्केट इसी रेंज में रहेगा. हो सकता है मार्केट बहुत जल्दी ये रेंज जो मैं बोल रही हूँ तोड़ भी सकता है, इवन दिस कमिंग, बिकॉज दिस कमिंग वीक इज वेरी हैपनिंग. सो दिस लेवल मे बी ब्रोकन बाय निफ्टी 50 नेक्स्ट वीक, बट यस द स्ट्रॉन्ग जो एरिया है, ट्रेडिंग एरिया, दिस कैन बी फॉर द next week. So Nifty 50 level for coming week can be support 22,500 to 23,350. And yes, after breaking जो levels हैं वो please keep in your mind. I already discussed. Now I'll go to the Nifty bank chart. So now we come to the Nifty Bank chart, and the same thing happened in Nifty Bank also. The same 10% fall happened, 10% crash happened in the Nifty Bank, like a Nifty 50. So this this was happening in this, यहाँ पे भी same चीज हुई. It has opened, gap up opening happened. Gap up opening के बाद it has taken resistance here, which is 51,000. Even Nifty Bank broke in 51,000 also, and 51,133 around. If I talk exact number, 51,133 के around इसने resistance लिया, and from there it has given small movement on the very next day of the exit poll, means on Monday 3rd June. 3rd June को यहीं पे close हो गया, and this was gap up opening, and then from the next day when the exact result came, election result came on that day, same thing happened, and it has opened here around 51,000, and the sharp fall happened in the Nifty Bank, and it reached to also 200 EMA around, and I guess it is 200 EMA, I'm not sure, but yes, it has reached to 45,900 के पास भी पहुंच गया है. Yes, 46,000, yes, 46,000 around it has touched, and exactly from there it has taken support, और वहां से support लेके इसमें buying आई, and then it has closed here around 46,500. This was the whole scenario on the election result day. Sharp fall, market was uncertain, and the politics scenario was uncertain, what is going on. And the next day when some clarity came, and the market opened nicely, and it gave the very good movement on that day, and see how beautifully it has recovered, and it has taken here resistance, and the next 2 days it was going up. Yeah, it has yet to touch the all-time high. It has not touched that day, but yes, it was showing very positive movement, strength, and it may, in coming week, it may go to that this resistance level, which is for 51,130 around, 133 around. This all thing happened in Nifty Bank in last week, and yes, if we see, it may, if it is positive, okay, if it's positive in next week, it will definitely go up, and it will definitely try to touch this resistance level. इसके ऊपर अभी मैं जाने की नेक्स्ट वीक में कोई उम्मीद नहीं देख रही हूँ. हाँ, मतलब कि ऐसे ही कुछ बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ नहीं आ जाए तो, as it's happening week in next week, so it may happen कि हाँ ये बहुत ही जल्दी से रेजिस्टेंस को टच कर ले, बट अभी इस रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर I don't want to jump in beyond this level, this resistance level. Support, yes, support, exactly, this is the very long term support here, also taken this resistance, which has become now support, and this and this 3 time it was taking resistance here, and it has become a very strong support now, which is 49,000. if I will take round figure, it is 49,000 around. 49,000 के पास एक बहुत ही strong support है for the Nifty Bank for next week, but yes, as I am giving some more levels, so you should keep these level also in mind. If it's breaking 49,000, it will definitely go to 48,200 around, 48,200, which is 50 EMA also. So 48,200 is next support hai, but after the 49,000. So I will take this support only for the final support, but yes, you should keep this level in your mind. Resistance is the one only 51,133, या अगर मैं exact बोलूँ तो 51,100 round figure I will take. So Nifty Bank level for coming week can be support 48,200, and resistance is 51,100. So this was the Nifty Bank levels, which I have given the support also, I have given the resistance also, and the other support and resistance you should keep in your mind also. Now I will show you two, three more few indexes so that you can see the breakout is coming in so many indexes. I have selected some index only. I will show the name and I will show you the breakout. That index is giving breakout means in that sector is going to outperform, or we can say that sector is going to perform in coming days, coming week, and coming even month also. So you should keep those sectors in your mind so that you can mm, make your watch list. You can keep ready your watch list in those sectors stocks which you can buy, or your favorite stock in coming months or coming weeks also. So let's discuss those sector also. That level I'm not going to give in end. I will give only nifty 50 nifty bank level, but please see these sectors which is giving breakout, which is showing very good strength for the coming month, and even after दिस गवर्नमेंट फॉर्मेशन के बाद वो बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं दो सेक्टर. प्लीज कीप ready, keep please study those stocks from sectors I am showing. So let's discuss one by one the chart. So first of all I have selected the Nifty Auto sector. Nifty Auto. See Nifty Auto daily chart, what is happening? This trend line. This trend line is showing the resistance, and which is actually long term resistance, actually from the December 23. 1st December 23 it has taken resistance here, and since then 23 say since then it is taking resistance here only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after 23 now in 24 it is breaking this trend line resistance, and this trend line resistance broken in last Friday only, and with very good strength, with very good volume, I can say it has broken. Okay, so this good breakout happened in Nifty Auto Stock. So keep your watch list ready in your auto stock. Select the good auto stocks if you want to buy. Now we'll go to my next index. Now my second index is Nifty Pharma. See, the Nifty Pharma is also breaking this trend line. This rectangle, I can say this rectangle breakout. This rectangle is formed in Nifty Pharma, and this rectangle breakout happening from here. Even last Friday it has broken even this also with a good volume, and this resistance has been broken by the Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Pharma is looking very very good. So keep your watch list, pharma watch list ready for the investment. Study the pharma stock also for the long term investment. And this is the third sector. I can see the breakout and the good strength, which is actually Nifty IT. Nifty IT index में भी बहुत ही अच्छा breakout आया है. It was consolidating here since last April, yes, and see how good it has broken, and how good with very good volume also. So Nifty IT यहाँ से लेके from here it has fallen till here, which is 31,300. 31,300 it has taken a good support, which was actually earlier also support, and from taking it was taking support here, and after taking support it has given a very good 3 consecutive continuous green candle, and the third candle is breaking this long term resistance on daily chart, and it has given a very good positive movement. Now it यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस आ सकता है निफ्टी आईटी में, बट Nifty IT के stock, even I have posted some stocks video, shorts video for trading purpose. You can see those stock that is for trading, that is pure trading idea, short video. But yes, long video I am giving the investing idea. तो short video में मैंने IT के बहुत सारे stock डाले और even I am posting also some IT stock which is at very good and attractive level for the good target. You can go through the video, shorts video also, and you can check those IT stock. IT sector बहुत ही अच्छे अट्रैक्टिव लेवल पे आ गया और बहुत ही अच्छा गुड रिवर्सल इट इज शोइंग. इट इज IT sector is showing very good reversal. So all the IT stock also showing very good reversal, and yes, very good time to enter in good fundamentally strong IT stock. So study the IT stock and keep ready your watch list of the IT stock for the long term investment. And yes, for the trading positional trading and swing trading के लिए भी you can select the IT stock, good IT stock. I am posting in the short video also, so please go check the short video also for the IT stocks. This was the Nifty IT breakout, and yes, it may reach to the 38,550, yeah, 500 around. IT sector and IT stocks are looking very attractive and on very good valuation also. So keep ready your IT stocks watch list. So this was very short, but I know the video is going to be so long. But yes, it was important to discuss so that you can be aware of these sectors breakout also, and all the detailed analysis of the stock market. So at the end of the video, the final level I will discuss of the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank only. So Nifty 50 level for coming week can be support 22,500 and resistance 23,350. So this was index analysis, and if you have any doubt, any question regarding any index or any stocks you are holding, comment in the comment box, or you can DM me also in Instagram and Twitter also. The ID is on the screen, and you can mail me also. The mail address is also given in the description box. And yes, like and share these videos so that it may reach to more people, and you can share also with your friends. And yes, subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update. Signing off.